Today we're diving into IRS Form 1099 SA, a crucial form for anyone with a health savings account, Archer medical savings account, or Medicare Advantage MSA. In this video, we'll cover who gets a 1099 SA, how it's used, 1099 SA versus 5498 SA, and filing deadlines. We're eForms, your go-to destination for simplifying immigration, business, taxes, legal, and more. To get an official copy of a 1099 SA, click the link in the description below. Otherwise, let's jump in. Who gets a 1099 SA? A 1099 SA is usually issued to the holder or beneficiary of an SHA or health savings account, Archer MSA or MA MSA, to report distributions made from the account. What happens if, knock on wood, the account holder passes away? If this were to happen, the savings account would be inherited by a designated beneficiary. If that designated beneficiary is not the surviving spouse, then the account ceases to be an HSA or MSA. Then what would happen is the remaining assets are paid out to the named beneficiary, who will then be the one to receive Form 1099 SA. Let's talk about using Form 1099 SA. Distributions from an HSA or MSA are not considered taxable income as long as they were used for qualified medical expenses. But you're still required to report these distributions when you file your taxes using either Form 8853 or Form 8889. You might be wondering, what are qualified medical expenses? Typically, qualified medical expenses for HSA purposes are unreimbursed medical expenses that could be otherwise deducted according to Schedule A or Form 1040. Qualified medical expenses can be paid on behalf of the account beneficiary, their spouse, and/or their dependents. Sometimes the 1099 SA can be confused with Form 5498 SA. So what's the difference? Form 1099 SA reports withdrawals from HSAs, Archer MSAs, or MA MSAs, while Form 5498 SA is filed by custodians regardless of withdrawals. We've talked a lot about HSA, Archer MSA, and MA MSA. What's the difference between them? An HSA is funded through contributions made by the policyholder, whereas MSAs are funded by Medicare. Archer MSAs were created to benefit self-employed individuals and employees of certain small employers. What are the filing deadlines? Form 1099 SA is to be filed by February 28th of the filing year or March 31st if filing electronically. The filer must give copy B to the account holder or beneficiary on or before January 31st. Before we go, let's quickly go over the steps to filing. Step 1, collect a W-9 so that you have the correct information to fill out the 1099 SA. Step 2, obtain Form 1099 SA. Step 3, send copy A to the IRS by the appropriate deadline. Step 4, send copy B to the recipient by January 31st. Step 5, keep a copy on file for at least 4 years. If you're ready to dive deeper on Form 1099 SA, click the link in the description below. There, you'll find detailed steps on how to fill out the form, as well as an official download for you to use. We're eForms, the #1 source for legal templates online. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful videos on taxes, business, and more.